The San Antonio Spurs beat the Nuggets on the 28th of March. They also beat the Nuggets on the 26th of March. They beat the Nuggets by 31 points on the 28th of March.
I'm John and I'm back and I'm from 4-402. Batista came to WWE December 20th on Martin Luther King Day to enter the Royal Rumble and to go on to WrestleMania 30. But CM Punk did not like that because he doesn't think Batista's in wrestling shape and he thinks he should be going to WrestleMania. Chris Jericho has been taking a long break. Fans have been very concerned on his return. Daniel Bryan has been in the Wyatt family for a while, but he has gotten out of their grasp in a steel cage match. Brock Lesnar has been dominating WWE, taking down every opponent he sees. And very, very slowly, you could see the Wyatt family targeting John Cena for WrestleMania 30. And that's all I got.
Hi, my name is Josue, and today I'm going to be talking about the Winter Olympics. First of all, how many medals did the USA win this year, 2014? Well, for gold medals, they won 9 gold medals. And for silver, they won 7 silver medals. And for bronze, they won 12 bronze medals. In total, that would be 28 medals that they won. Okay, for the USA versus Russia hockey game, so far the USA won. That is very important because USA won and they defeated Russia, and now their score is high. And it's also important USA is leading to winning the 2014 Winter Olympic Games. Go USA!
Hi, my name is Jeremiah from 4-402. A good game for people who have a great imagination is Minecraft. Minecraft is cool because it has a lot of new updates, like new items. You can make another portal and ender portal so you can go to different worlds. The devices that you can play Minecraft on is the computer, tablet, and the Xbox. Also, you can build awesome rockets to go into outer space. Also, there is an ender dragon that you need to kill to get some points to either trade or buy some stuff. And that's it.
Hi, I'm Felix Santiago from class 4-402, and I'm here to tell you about bullying. Bullying is important because if you ever hit somebody, they will get very sad. An example of bullying is hitting a kid. Another is racism. Another is calling people by names, kind of like stupid, or you're so stupid. I'm in a bigger grade than you. Bullying can probably be seen outside of school and even on the streets. Bullying is one of the worst things. Bullying anybody can stand against about it. I feel bullying is very wrong.
How do you feel about being bullied?
I feel bad when I get bullied, and I don't want other people to get bullied.
What do you do about it?
I go up to the bully and say stop.
Yeah. Did you used to hang out with the bully that bullies you?
No, no. Well, before, yes.
Do you forgive him?
No.
What should you do to change the school?
As a teacher, I think the best way for me to change the school is to make sure that my students are being educated as well as possible.
Why should the school stay open?
Well, I believe that the school should stay open because it's a great school and we're really helping our students here.
Why do you want the school to stay open?
I want the school to be open because I enjoy working with the administration and the other teachers that are here. And I think that we have the same desire to see our children succeed.
Are the students' grades coming up or down?
I've seen the students in my classroom, their grades going up, and I can really speak only towards their grades.
Is the school in good condition?
When you say good condition, are you talking about the physical condition or are you talking about...
The physical condition.
I think overall, I'm pleased with the condition of the school. There are little things that I think can be changed, but they're okay for now.
Do you want the school to close or open again?
I would like the school to remain open.
If the school opens again, why would you change it? Would you change it or keep it the same?
I think the fact that we have to reopen the school, there has to be some changes. And I think that the biggest change that needs to happen is communication. And that's communication between students and teachers, between teachers and parents, between teachers and administration, and just the whole entire community.
Will you help raise money for the school if it's closed?
Well, I know that our school's not closing, but I know that there's a lot of work that we need to do to make sure that we have the funds that we need to continue to keep us running the way that we are. I believe that fundraising is one of my strengths, so I would definitely help out as far as raising funds to keep our school running.